Growing my own food in Portmore, Jamaica.
So here am I harvesting my cabbage. I have been eating the bottom leaves, but now it's time to get it all. Now I'm getting some pak choy. I harvest just the leaves each time, so I'm able to keep coming back. And some lettuce here. So it is like with the pak choy, I keep coming back. Heading over here to my spinaches. Yes, all my greens keeps me coming back for more. Looking good, isn't it? Here getting one of my favorite greens, callaloo. I have to make the basket hold and create room for more food. Guys, look at that. Wanna want some? Time to get my beetroots. I love me some beetroot and carrot juice. How about you? Aren't they lovely? Love what you see so far? Make we get some radish over on this side too. We're here already, why not get some kale as well? Now these small broccolis are so cute, but I have to get them. I already took the big one from here. No time for some scallion, though called in other parts of the world green onions or spring onions. But whether green or it has spring up, I am obviously getting some. Yep, I'm feeling good. But just wait, little man, still not done yet. I have some radishes over on this side too. This one needs a surgery. Now you see why I love gardening, it's quite rewarding. Now my favorite thing to grow, sweet corn. Not much this time around, but I'm so planning to do much better with the next set next time in terms of care and fertilizing. Oh, I got a few beans too. No, if you see my face at this point, it's like country come to town. My glad bag bursting out with joy. God is so good. So because I'm here already, why not just get this sweet pepper, aka bell pepper and cherry tomato, to make my basket look a little cute? What do you think? If I am happy one more time. Look at that, guys. Grow some food, no man. Real organic grocery shopping in my backyard garden.